Hello and welcome to 6-Minute Maths, and today we're going to look at multiplication doing the lattice method. So you might never have heard of the lattice method before, but it's a really good way of doing bigger calculations using smaller numbers. So let's go right in and have a look. So here we have, you notice, a different kind of way of laying out your answer, and it involves some boxes and some squares. So let me just show you with the first one here. So if we were doing 58 times by 3, normally we would go, let's get my pen, 58 times by 3, 3 times 8 I know is 24, carry my 2, 3 times 5 is 15, and the 2 makes 17, so the answer is 174. Okay, so when we lay out our sum using the lattice, we put 5 and the 8 here, and we're timesing it by the 3. So 3 times 8, I know is 24, so what you do is you put your tens in above, and the single at the bottom. And then 3 times 5 is 15, the 1, and the 5. Okay, and then what you do is you add up on the diagonals. So on that first column there we've got 4, the 5 and the 2 added together makes 7, and the 1 on its own is 174. You can see we've got the same answer, 174. And the beauty about this is you only really have to know up to your 9 times tables, which is good. So 94, just doing the traditional way, 94 times by 6. 6 times by 4, well I know 3 4s are 12, so 6 4s are 24, carry the 2. 9 times 6, well I know 10 times 6 is 60, so 9 times 6 is 1 less, is 54, plus the 2 makes 564. However, if you do it this way, 94 times by 6, 6 times 4, 24, 9 times 6 is 54, so I'll put my 5 here, my 4 here. Bring the diagonals down, so this is 4, this is 6, and this is 5. Yep, my answer's 564. Let's have a look on a little bit more complicated one. 54 times by 81, so we're doing double digits here. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. And then because we're starting in the next column, we put our 0 down. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 8 times 5 is 40, plus the 3 is 43. So put that in there. Not the straightest of lines. Add those up. 4, 7, 3, 4. So let's have a look here. 54 times by 81. And the bigger the numbers, the bigger the boxes. So we've got 4 times 8, which is 32. 3 goes in there. 2 goes in there. 5 times 8, which is 40. 1 times 4 is just 4, so I'll put my 0 in and put my 1 in. 1 times 5 is 0, and put my 5 in. Bring the numbers down. It's 4. The 2, the 0 and the 5 adds up to 7. The 3 on its own and the 4 carried down gives us the same answer, 4374. We'll just do one more example. Let's have a look at a little slightly more complex one. So these are bigger numbers, so let's do that one there. 746 times by 49. 49 times by 746. And what I think we'll do is we'll just check it with a calculator first, just to make sure we know what we're doing. Move this over. So 746 times by 49 equals 36,554. And I'm just going to write that in there so we can check it. Yeah? 36,554. So okay, 4 times 6 in the first box is 24, so I'll put my 4 here, put my 2. 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 4 is 28. 9 sixes, well I know 10 sixes is 60, so 9 sixes is 6 less, which is 54. 4 times 9, or 9 times 4, is 36. 7 times 9, bit of a tricky one. 10 sevens is 70. Take 1 off would make 63. So now we do the same thing, we add up. We've got 4 on the first column. Then we've got the 4, the 5 and the 6. We add them all up. The 4 and the 6 come to 10, plus the 5 is 15. And here we've got to carry the 1 over and add that onto this. So the 1 and the 3 is 4, plus the 3 is 7, plus the 2 is 9, and the 6 makes 15. So I'll put my 5 in and carry the 1 over. The 1 and the 6 is 7, plus the 8 is 15, and the 1 makes 16. So I'll put my 6 down, carry the 1 and the 2 makes 3. So yeah, 36,554. Thanks for watching.